Hello, and welcome to a quick tutorial brought to you by the Dashboards and Analytics team at the University of Maryland. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to navigate into a dashboard using our dashboard launchers and then back up to the root dashboard that you first visited. So we're going to start on the UMDashboards dashboard launcher. From here, I'd like to get to the KFS balance dashboard. In order to do that, I'm going to click the financial button. Then I'm going to hover over the KFS balance dashboard and click that. The KFS balance dashboard will load. Now, in order to get back to the root dashboard launcher, you're going to want to use this back button up here or the Open Dashboards menu, and then the back button within this menu. Either one will achieve the same result. For the purposes of this tutorial, I'm going to use the back button in the upper right-hand corner of the interface. Once I click it once, it will drill back to the financial dashboard launcher, and once I click it again, it will drill back to the UMDashboards launcher. Thanks for watching this quick tutorial. Please check out our other ones.